Neutral hold mode allows you to turn off the engine with the vehicle in neutral. This way, the vehicle can be moved by hand even with the ignition switch in the off position. This can be useful in an automatic car wash. To activate neutral hold mode, first ensure the engine is running. Then, release the electronic parking brake if it's applied. Depress and hold the brake pedal. Press the park button on the shift lever. Slide the shift lever to neutral until N is shown in the instrument cluster. Then return to the home position and immediately slide the shift lever to the neutral position again and hold until this message displays. This step must be completed within 5 seconds of pressing the park button to activate neutral hold mode. Leave the engine running or turn it off as needed. Neutral hold mode will remain activated. Move the shift lever to any other position to exit neutral hold mode. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.